Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. In this video, we are going to solve a very important problem from Module 1, Introduction to Machine Learning. So the question is, find the 5-point summary of the list which is given here 13, 11, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9 and plot the box plot for the same. So let's solve this question. What is the list which is given here, which is 13, 11, 2, 3, 4, 8 and 9. So this is the list which is given here. Now what is our first step? Our first step is arrange the list in ascending order. So arrange in ascending order, which is 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 11, 13. Now what is our next step? Means we have to find the median. Find median, which is nothing but Q2. So what is the value of n is here, means number of element which is given in this list, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. N equals to 7, which is odd. So now we can clearly see that our median of this given list, which is directly we can say that 8. So our median, which is equals to 8. Why? Because 7 element given in this list, that's why we can easily directly get median, which is equals to 8. Now what is our step 3? We have to find the first quartile. So this is our Q1, Q2, which is median, and this is a Q3. So now we have to find first quartile, which is Q1. So 2, 3, 4. So now we can clearly see that this is also odd. So we can say that our Q1, which is equals to 3. Like that. What is our third quartile here? Third quartile, which is Q3. So 9, 11, 13. So where our Q3, which is equals to 11. This is our lower half and this is our upper half. So before pointing summary of the plot box, we need to understand what is the maximum value and minimum value in this given list. So our minimum value, which is equals to 2, and our maximum value, which is equals to 13. Now we got all the 5 points, which is our median means Q2, first quartile Q1 and third quartile Q3. So 1, 2, 3 and minimum value is 2 and maximum value is 13. So now plot all these points in the graph. So this is the box plot with 5 mark point. This is our data set and this is our value, means 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 14. And what is the minimum value here, which is 2. That's why we are pointing here 2. And what is our maximum value here, which is 13. And our Q1 value is, which is equals to 3. So now pointing 3, and from here to here all the points which is given in this list we can put like that, and our median is 8 and our Q3 is 11. So like that you have to point in the examination also. If you want these handwritten notes, link is given in the description box. You go and check it from there. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.